Hello everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic for English learners, our daily routine. What do you do every day, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep? I'm going to teach you the sentences and verbs you need to talk about your day. Let's get started. So, let's begin in the morning. I wake up at a.m. I wake up at a.m. The first thing I do is I get out of bed and drink a glass of water. Then, I take a shower and brush my teeth. After that, I go to the kitchen to have breakfast. I usually have eggs and toast for breakfast and a cup of black coffee. I have eggs and toast for breakfast. It's a very important meal for me. Then, I get ready for my day. The afternoon comes quickly. I go to work at a.m. I work from a.m. to p.m. I have a lot of meetings in the morning, so I get a little tired. A common question is, what do you do for lunch? I have lunch at p.m. I have lunch at p.m. I usually eat at my desk, but sometimes I go to a small cafe near my office. After lunch, I feel more energetic and I continue working. In the evening, I get home from work at p.m. When I get home, I first relax for a little bit. Then I cook dinner. I love cooking, so I cook dinner and I have dinner with my family around p.m. I have dinner with my family at p.m. After dinner, I watch TV with my family. We watch the news or our favorite TV show. Sometimes I read a book. It's my favorite hobby. Finally, the night, around p.m., I get ready for bed. I turn off all the lights and I read my book for about 30 minutes. This helps me to relax and to get sleepy. Finally, I go to bed at p.m. This is my daily routine from morning to night. Now, let's quickly review some key verbs and time expressions. Listen and repeat. Wake up, wake up. Have breakfast, have breakfast. Go to work, go to work. Have lunch, have lunch. Cook dinner, cook dinner. Go to bed, go to bed. And for time, remember we use at with the time, like at a.m., at p.m., or we can use in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night. Okay, now it's your turn. Practice talking about your own daily routine. Take a piece of paper and write down your answers to these questions. What time do you wake up? What do you do in the morning? What do you eat for lunch? What do you do in the evening? What time do you go to bed? Practice saying these sentences out loud. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time when we will talk about hobbies and free time.